Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. From today we will start the HVAC modeling. In previous lecture we have all seen that we finish swell pipe and waste pipe modeling. Okay, as we can see here. So I request you all that if you have not watched this tutorial, then go and watch first, then your doubt will be clear. Okay, then we will come on this lecture. Okay, so let's start. See here, the architecture and structure is everything is linked, and as per this word file they told me model as per the provided 2D drawings. Label 21 is AC. Okay, so I came on label 21. Okay, and now I have to link the CAD file. Here the drainage is linked, so now I don't need drainage. Remove this one, and we have to link AC. Tutorial, real interview. Maybe this is the AC, this one. Everything is okay. Here either you can set the unit, but we will see, no issue. Okay, close. Okay, now it is linked. Okay, and here it is not visual. Yes, now it's, you can see here. So what we will do, unpin this one, come here, the CAD file is already pinned, so you can drag up to here. Okay, now we can rotate as per this drawing. -90°, and after that we can align. Come, see, this is S1, so S1, and here is also S1. It is now aligned. After that SA and SA. Fine. See, perfectly aligned. Then you can select and pin, no issue. And what they told me, the yellow highlighted area, so this is yellow highlighted area. Okay, here this is, so what I will do, I have to focus only this area, not all areas. Okay, so I will simply crop view. Okay, here it is not visible, so what crop region visible I will show. So now see, this is crop region visible, and I can simply drag as much as I want. Okay, here. This is our yellow areas. See the crop, our crop region is up to here, but still beyond this crop region the annotation is showing. Okay, so this is the basic difference about the crop region and annotation crop. Okay, when I will click here, then annotation everything will be removed. Okay, now let me here. Okay, I can drag also this one here. This is the crop annotation crop region. Okay, here beyond this, if I will make the any annotation, okay, like tag and whatever things, it will not show. Okay, here if I will write anything, it will not show. See, if I will write anything here like suppose test. Okay, I write here, so it is visible. Okay, if I will drag beyond this annotation crop, then it will not visible. Okay, here if I will drag, see, it's gone. If I will drag again, it is coming here. Beyond this, it will not visible. See, gone. So what is we know the difference between crop view and annotation crop. Okay, here annotation crop or crop view, this is the difference. Crop view we can crop our model, but annotation crop we can crop our annotation. Okay, like dimension and text, whatever the annotation we can crop. Okay, so I crop here everything fine. This is our yellow areas which I have to model, these areas. Okay, fine. I don't want to see this crop region, then we can tick. Okay, this is S504 FCU. Okay, and here it's coming, and this is the grill. Okay, it is coming here. See, this is supply and return grill, supply grill. 150 is length, supply diffuser is 150, and supply diffuser CFM is 20 liter per second, and supply and return grill is 450 size. Here supply air duct is 300 200, and bottom of duct is 2800. Okay, come here bottom of duct is 2800 and this duct size is 300 into 250. Okay, you got here. And here what is mentioned, it's not clear. What's mentioned here, 302 liter per second. Okay, we will see. So here it is coming at 161 liter per second. So remaining here it's going how much? We will see. Okay, when we will, if it is not clear here, we will open the CAD file in AutoCAD. Okay, and after that we can check also this one, the FCU4 S3. Here is the return diffuser, and here is the supply grill. Okay, see, here is the supply grill. What is the size? 600 into 150. And how much air is coming out? 189 liter per second. And return diffuser is 300. This return diffuser is 300 into 300. Okay, but supply is 600 into 150. Okay, similarly here the duct, this duct size is 400 into 200 supply air duct. And how much? 189 liter per second. Bottom of duct is 2800. Supply here registered. Okay, this is supply register. Okay, I already explained and make one video the difference between grills, register, diffuser, okay, and disc type diffuser. And we use at airport the high velocity diffuser. So I already explained. If you have not watched, so I request you watch that video. Okay, and return diffuser is 300 into 300. See, this is 300 by 300. After that, here also similarly, supply diffuser and return diffuser. This is the supply, this is return. This is volume control damper, and this one is register, supply register, and return grill. See, supply registered, this is supply register, and here grill, return grill is, what is the size? 550 and 150. 150 liter per second. Okay, similarly this is the one, this is also same. See, bottom of duct 2800, 452 200 the duct size. Okay, 253 liter per second is coming. And here the main duct is 550 250 and 453 liter per second air. So fine, everything. Okay, here this is return grill, 550 150 liter. Okay, and supply registered, this is the one. But then remaining is the diffuser, supply diffuser, return diffuser. So reading the drawing is very important in modeling. Okay, also this is the opening, 900 and 300. Okay, opening, see, for return air. For this area we have not mentioned any put any diffuser. This is the reason we make one open here, so that the year will come pass. Okay, so I hope you now get it got it about the drawing overview. Okay, so inshallah in next video we will start modeling. I hope you learn something from this video. If you learn, then subscribe so that you will get more premium video free of cost. And thank you very much for reaching together 1000 subscribers today. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.